This is NSCA's Business Question Series. My name is Max Adkisson with GreatAmerica Financial Services, and I am an NSCA business resource. Today's question: how does the financing process work? The financing process with GreatAmerica can be broken down into 6 steps for integrators to understand when the opportunity for finance comes up. Step 1 is the quote. This is where we provide your customer with a detailed quote for the products or services you're offering them. It's important to be clear and transparent about the costs involved. A well-prepared quote sets the stage for a smooth financing process and helps manage customer expectations from the beginning. Next, we have the application. When your customer decides to move forward with a finance option, you'll share the customer's legal name, physical address, and phone number. This step involves a soft pull of the customer's credit and does not affect their credit score. We will do our due diligence on the customer and return a credit decision at minimum the same day, most times within an hour or 2. Step 3 is documents. Once the credit application is approved, the necessary financing documents are prepared and signed by your customer. Our 2-page document outlines the terms and conditions of the financing agreement. Clear and concise documentation ensures that all 3 parties are on the same page through the transaction. Step 4 is the invoice. After documents are signed, you, the integrator, will issue an invoice for the financed amount to GreatAmerica. Accurate invoicing is crucial for timely payment and smooth cash flow. Step 5, verify. GreatAmerica will call your customer to speak over the phone and verify the terms and conditions of the agreement. Also, we'll notify the customer when their first invoice is due. This step helps prevent any discrepancies or errors through the finance process. Verification is a key step to ensure the integrity of the financing process. Finally, GreatAmerica pays you. Once the agreement is verified, GreatAmerica will release the funds to your business. This means you get paid up front and quickly, helping improve your cash flow and allowing you to move these projects along faster.